Good evening, friends. This is Gauram Mavi. Today is eighth day of daily English speaking. Last day, yesterday, I couldn't upload a video. I didn't practice that, so I'm. I just wanted to confess that, and today I'm going to restrict it to just 5 minutes. So it was a good day. It was a sunny day, and Fab month is in progress. I Yesterday night, uh, today, I did some exercise in the morning, and then I took bath. Then had banana shake, which was good. I added some roasted chana in that. Added four badams and two bananas and half, I think 250 gram milliliter milk. So it was good. In I think it was amazing. And then I had lunch in afternoon. Today our cook prepared rice, dal, and aloo methi sabji and chapati of mix atta. So in mix atta we have wheat, bajra, which is I think called pearl, I think something like that. So yeah, we had that, and now it's time to sleep. In some time I will sleep, so I'm controlling uh, uh, like my yawn, if I can pronounce that correctly. And then in the evening we went for running. So today I ran for 30 minutes. It was good because pollution is decreasing every day as summer are approaching, and we have this pollution issue during mostly during winter month, because I was reading about the reason why we have this pollution issue during the winter month only. And the one of the reason is during this there is a concept called temperature inversion. When the temperature near the ground, near the earth's surface, is lower as compared to temperature at uh, at some height. So what it does, it traps the pollutants near the ground, keeps the pollutant near the ground. And and since during winter time the airflow is very less, so those pollutant do not get dispersed, and they continue to float in the air near the ground. So that's where we have this pollution issue during the winter month. I hope you understood why we have pollution in Delhi during the winter month only, mostly. And that is majorly PM 2.5, which is very dangerous as it directly penetrates to lungs, and no mask can stop it. Okay, so that's where I started to go to running in during evening time, and I hope to continue it. It was good. In the end, I did some 25 push-up or 40 push-ups, and then 20 squats. In the morning, I did around 50 push-up, 50 squats, and I think 10 sapate. So that was my exercise. And then after that, in the evening, I had broccoli with two chapati and some rice was there, and some one katori dal. So it was wonderful. And when it comes to my work perspective, it was good. I finished whatever tasks were given to me. I went through some recordings that they have given me, So it is good. Today I didn't go through the newspaper. So now I'm going to go to sleep, guys. It was nice talking to you. Thank you very much. Keep practicing English. Thank you. Bye bye. Jai Hind.